of our chairman, Dr. Jain. His contributions to education, entrepreneurship, and community services. This is a small tribute from all of us. In all around 7 campuses we have, we are expecting around 1,200 units of blood to be donated. It's an annual festival for us where we involve all the students and all alumni from our Jain group of institutions will come and donate blood. So this is a very good social initiative from Jain group of institutions. This is the 4th edition where we are doing the Sampradana event together in all the campuses of Jain University. Bharat Abhiyan through our NSS and NCC, that's a part of our initiative towards the community service and social cause.
I am Raksha. So today on this occasion of our chairman's birthday, we have the Jain group has taken this very nice thing to do this blood donation camp over here. It's been happening for the last about 3 years. I've been a part of it for the last 2 years, and yeah, it's a very noble cause.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುಜಿತ್. ನಾನೀಗ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ BMS ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ. ಇದು ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಂದು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು 300 ಜನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಸರ್.